This is the standard air filter, and it will handle large particulate such as lint and dust. Coleman-Mach does make an upgraded version of their air filter that is a Merv 6 filter. The benefit of the Merv 6 is it's going to filter out smaller particulate such as pet dander, mold, mites, some household odors, and other things. It's easy to find out exactly what a Merv 6 filter will filter out. If you just Google Merv 6, there's plenty of information online. When I replace the air filters, I am going to be working overhead, and there could be debris or dust existing in the air filter that can come down on me. So it's always a good idea to wear some eye protection when working overhead. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use a really dull butter knife, which is going to give me a little leverage when I take out the filter grill. So the filter grill has these 2 finger tabs, and it also has 3 tabs you can't see. So I'm going to hold onto this finger tab and put the butter knife in and just twist it a bit, and it helps me release the other tabs. Inside, you're going to find the existing filter. That comes out simply by sliding it because it's held in with these 2 little tabs. So to insert the new air filter, you pretty much do the reverse, and you want to be sure that the plastic strips are facing downward because that's how you know it's in the right orientation. And then sliding it in, making sure it catches these 2 tabs. Now that's in place. I'm just going to line up these 2 tabs, and then using the finger grabs, kind of push pretty hard, and it'll bend that filter grill and snap in place. I just did the right side. I'll do the left side next, and then you're good to go. Thanks so much for watching, and I'd also like to thank Lazy Days RV. These products and a wide array of others can be found in the Coleman-Mach climate control accessories section of your local RV retailer. Now let's go out and enjoy our RV.